Okay, so now we're going to set up for our air test. We want to test the integrity of our cap seal and make sure we have communication from port to port. So to set that up, I'm going to take a P233 shutoff valve, have my connectors, P228 connectors mounted in, insert a piece of 1/4 inch tubing, and then insert my adapter, my quick connect adapter to go to my air line, and that's what I'm going to use to do my air test. All right, so now we're going to do our air test. So we're going to test using our air setup. We're going to test to see if we have continuity from port to port, communication from port to port, and we're also going to check and see if I have any leaks along my cap seal so we can fix those before we start our injection. I'll push the valve onto the port, slowly open the valve. You can hear air coming out the other port. Using the caps then, I'll cap the adjacent port. Keep capping. Well, this one doesn't seem like there's much air coming there. I have air here. And now what I can do, I use a spray bottle. I happen to have some Windex, but you can use a spray bottle with water, some soapy water in it, and I'm going to spray along my cap seal. You can see right here we've got a leak. Actually, it's coming out of a bug hole in the wall. So we'd have to seal that up. Continue spraying. Okay, so everything looks pretty good. A small leak here, and then this leak here at this bug hole where we want to seal that up. And it looks like I've got little air leaking out onto the cap seal here. So we'll go ahead and fix those before we inject. That way I won't be leaking any material, having epoxy cascading down the wall and making a mess. Plus, that'll help me maintain the pressure so I can push that epoxy further into the wall rather than leaking out.